limited visibility. It felt good, but still high. We're bringing this down a little bit. Alright, that guy was right in there, right in the yellow. It's coming down pretty good, snowing today in North Idaho, so shooting from underneath the covered porch. 10 rounds at 60 yards. In the snow. Warm-up shots weren't terrible, so let's see how we do. Send this down there. I was holding a little long on that one, that's for sure. Just need to get comfortable, get in the groove. It's definitely different in the sight picture looking through all the snow. Looks like that one might have hit the yellow. Just a little above that first shot. Good grouping right in the center, just a little below. Round 1 in the books. Great way to start the first round. See if we can keep it going. Let's do it. I don't like that one. It's just weird centering on where that target is at. Especially because now it's right on the edge of my top left corner of my target. That was in the blue. Not terrible. Right on the edge of the yellow. Not a bad shot. Round 2 done. Go check it out. Not a bad round. Not a bad 2 rounds. I had that one where I was hitting to the right with that target just being on that top left corner. Psyching myself out. So no excuses now. Round 3. Let's keep it going. In the red. I'm not complaining about that. That was just in the blue. And again, my goal is 210. I do have one white that I need to make up for. And that really takes your points down. I think that is in the red as well. Not a bad round. Round 3 in the books. Hey doggies, come on. Come here. Don't want to be shooting over top of you beagles. Alright, so it's 3 rounds in the books. Shooting pretty good so far. I got one in the white, which is a terrible shot. So I'll have to make up for that. Round 4 right now. Looks like that's in the blue. Not great. A couple of my arrows are a little ruffled up now on the veins of shooting through the target. Just more excuses for me, right? You need to find every excuse you can. Looks like that was in the red. That was a long hold on that shot. I thought about letting down. Looks like that was in the red as well. That one actually felt really bad. And that's just all about trusting the flow, and I'm getting better at that. Round 4 done. It's getting hard to pull those arrows out, maybe because it's been cold. Blue. There's a red. Right on the edge of a yellow. Real close. It's definitely nice having the spotting scope. It's awesome seeing exactly where I'm hitting and how the shots are feeling. I think lighted nocks are going to be the next thing I set up. I'll be redoing my arrows here soon. Ooh, another one in the blue. 5 ends down at a total of 102. My goal is 210. But right now I'm running a little short on points. Let's focus a little bit more on bringing these groups in. I actually didn't like that shot process at all. Felt like I yanked it around a little bit as I was pulling through the shot. I think I need to get my finger deeper on the trigger. I think that was the issue with that one. That one felt good. The beagles are barking at nothing, like usual. So I had one shot in the white on the last round. So just have to make up for that. Hey, come on. Buster. Come on. So what is this, round 7? Nah, we'll figure it out. Round 7 right here. Not great. Not a great shot. In the blue on that one?
Going up high in the blue?
Yeah. Yep, up high.
Okay.
Last shot wasn't very good. It hit right in the black right there.
We can sure see the snow, can't you?
Yeah, it's really coming down. It's really coming down there. All right. Make up for that black shot. Let's get one in the yellow here. That felt good. Right in the red. That one, honestly, it felt like it was breaking right in the center. All right, it's actually shot one arrow right through my ratchet strap. It was just the end of it hanging down in front of the target. So we got end 8 right here. See if we get some in the yellow. Started out strong, first couple. It was a little high in the blue. That one felt pretty good though. I think there's one in the yellow. I'll take that. That one felt like it was, yep, definitely to the left. Hit in the black. N9, here we go. That one felt real good. It's right on the line. I think we got in the yellow there. I wasn't ready to pull through my shot yet. It went off on me. Hitting the blue, not terrible. Let's finish strong. Make up for a couple of those whiffs. That one felt solid. Looks really good too. I think I caught the 9 on that. Ooh, that one felt a little low. Just went off while I was dropping. Alright, shooting an extra end right here. That felt money. That one felt great. Phone's having trouble focusing with all the snow. That was good. Ended on 2 really good feeling shots on that end. I think today was great practice and just putting pressure on myself and shooting. You definitely realize when you have that pressure, that is when your shot process goes to shit. Ended up at 195, 15 points shy of my goal. At the time, I felt like I was going open loop, but after watching the recording back, it looks like I was controlling my shot and pulling through. Plus the added pressure of shooting in front of the camera, and I'm doing a simulated scoring round, so every shot counts. It's a little more pressure than just practicing. Don't over tinker. Get out and shoot your bow.